In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or change your email address in Asana, whether you're updating your contact information or simply streamlining your communication. Managing your email addresses in Asana is a straightforward process that enhances your experience on the platform. Let's walk through the steps together, ensuring you have the smoothest transition possible. To begin, navigate to the top right corner of your Asana dashboard, where you'll spot your profile icon. Clicking on this icon will open a drop-down menu that gives you access to various settings related to your account. From this menu, select Settings, your gateway to personalizing your Asana experience. Once you're in the Settings menu, you'll find several tabs. We're interested in the Account tab. This is your hub for managing all things related to your Asana account, including your email addresses. Click on the Account tab to proceed. Within this section, look for the Manage Email option. Here, you'll find the tools to add a new email address or make changes to your existing ones. Click on Add New Email to start the process of updating your contact information. Now, it's time to enter the new email address you wish to add. Ensure that this address is linked to an Asana account you've already created. Adding an email is a simple process, but double-check for any typos to prevent issues down the road. Once you've entered the new email address, you're all set. Asana will seamlessly integrate it into your account, allowing you to use it as your primary method of communication. While you're here, it's also an excellent opportunity to tidy up your email addresses. If there are any emails you no longer use or need, this is the perfect time to remove them. This ensures that all correspondences from Asana reach the inbox you actively manage, helping you stay on top of your projects and deadlines. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can easily manage or update your email addresses in Asana, keeping your contact information current and your digital workspace organized. Now you're equipped to handle any changes to your email steadfastly, ensuring you don't miss any important notifications from Asana. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to explore more of our tutorials to maximize your productivity with Asana. Happy organizing!